We've got another Urus coming through over here, but check this color. Lovely wrap on that. We've got yet another Urus here at the V&A. So this would be the third one. We've also got the one that's parked over there with a AMG GT. Check this out. V&A be popping off lately. There's the other one. Oh guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, but look what we just found. Oh my word, look at this thing. The Aventador SVJ. Oh, and look at that color, man. This is outrageous. Wow, what a spot. Look at this thing. Yo. That's crazy. I'm so glad we got to see this. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much because yeah, the wind is just pumping here at the moment, but I mean, geez guys, this is something special. I've got to give a shout out to Matt Supercars Capetown. He's the one who led me to this. This is something special. This is the first time we've actually got to spot this car. We missed it the last time around during December. Yeah, but I'm so glad we finally got to spot it now.
Lovely Toyota Supra right there, and the Honda Type R.
We have a chrome gold i8 here with the kit on it. It's the first time I've seen that. Spots are starting to pick up a little bit, I think. And I think we've got a Ferrari down there as well. And there it is, 458. Car's blocking it now. Nice. Got a C-point regular there, the yellow Urus with Akrapovic or Akrapovic. Wow, a lot of spots today in a very short amount of time. I mean, it's only been like 10 minutes. We have another 458 Spider. So we're just waiting for Matt in the RS3. He's going to give us a ride and yeah, just have a bit of fun. He's here.